Okay guys, so simply you tap your USB and press any key and just restart your PC, and it will ask you to press any key. After pressing any key, you will simply get this interface. Now select here the language to install and the time and currency format according to your country. By default it's United States, and keyboard and input method is US. That's the professional way. You can just simply install it. It's understandable, so I'm recommending these settings. Just click on next. Now click on install. Now if you have product key, you can paste it here. Otherwise just click on the I don't have a product key and then click on it. Now select here Windows 10 Pro. That's the actually official one, the good for gamers and for office work, for both. Just go with professional one and then I accept the license terms. Check this option and click on next. Now if you want to upgrade with the latest ISO, if you have, then go with the upper one option. Otherwise go with the custom option. That will provide you the advanced feature. You can just rearrange the partitions, etc, etc. So right now I have 50 GB size in my drive, so you can create more than you can one. If you type here the 25 GB size, it will divide it into two parts, but I'm going with 50, the one drive. Just select it, click on new and apply. Now just simply click on OK to ensure that all Windows features work currently. Once you have done these settings, simply you need to click on the next. If you want to format the partition, just select any partition and then click on format. It will be formatted. Now simply press the enter button to restart your PC before the time period. If you don't press, it will automatically restart. Okay, after restarting, now it will ask you again to press any key. If you want, you don't need to press again any key to boot again from the startup, because we have now move on the second method, second step, second segment. So in the second segment, it will automatically boot up the some services and some settings for you. Okay, select United States. That's the professional one. It's according to your region and you can change it later, so go with the United States. It's better to understand the languages and settings, so just go with the United States. Okay, now setup for personal use. If you are a home user like the gamer or any editor, then you can go with the personal use. Otherwise, if you are a studio, in studio or some other organizations, then you can set it up for organization. I think personal is better. Now, if you don't want to sign up through the email, then simply click on the offline account. Now again go with the limited experience, because if you go with the advanced settings, you need to log in your Gmail account. Now simply here you need to type your username and then click on next. If you want to set up password, then type it here, otherwise just click on simply next. Now turn off all these services because Microsoft will not take your data without your permission. Okay, now that's not important, but you can select here according to your experience, then click on accept. Okay, once you're here, just click on not now. Actually it's asking for the Cortana services, so you don't need to launch the Cortana services. They are slow down your PC. And that's it guys, this is the way you can simply install your Windows 10 without any issue, without any product key, and without any Microsoft account. And if you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. I'll provide you the further information, or just drop your suggestion. I'll respond to you as soon as possible. Till then, just take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.